In today's episode, I have decided to color one of my drawings or paintings from my procrastination season. And if you're thinking, like, what is my procrastination season, then I've already made a video about it, and I might link it to this video or maybe drop it in the description box so that you can go ahead and check it. So, in today's episode, I'm going to be facing my biggest challenge or fear, which is coloring. This would be my very first time doing mixed media, where I'll be using pencil colors to color on top of my base layer, which is watercolors. It's been a while that I have colored this particular painting, so it has completely dried. So before we get started, let me just show you the reference that I have been using. From this particular picture, I've only picked the bird. I'm not focusing on other things that are going around. Okay, so let's get started with our process. So I'm starting by swatching the colors first because I'm using pencil colors for the first time on top of the watercolors. So I need to be very sure which colors I'm using and which colors will actually show on top of my watercolors. So I'm just simply swatching all the colors that I have, all my greens, blues, browns, blacks and orange. Now I'm first starting with the head. I'm first starting with the blue color and just drawing small strokes on the head. I'm continuously checking the original picture, just trying to make sure that the strokes are perfectly placed. Then I'm moving towards the beak. Once I'm done with the beak, I'm going with my black or brown shade near the eye. Then I'm giving black outlines to the wings. Then I'm going in with the blue color for the scales as shown in the picture. I'm trying my best over here to match the colors and the style or designs which are there in the picture. I'm just making sure all my strokes are very light. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not pressing any color much. I'm just giving light strokes. that I've learned is watching colors beforehand helps you a lot, because while coloring there is less anxiety of choosing the colors. So I would say it is a very great exercise to do before getting started with your painting or with your drawing. Always swatch colors, know what you're going for, what colors you're gonna use. Now I'm getting started with the fine liners, and honestly this is the best part of coloring or drawing. So I'm just starting with the beak, going ahead and giving some strokes near its neck, then on the wings. Somehow fine liners give life to your paintings, and I absolutely love that. And I'm also switching my fine liner colors. Earlier I was using black, now I'm using brown near its belly or near its stomach, because we have got orange. I didn't want to use black over there, it might look a bit harsh, so I'm going for a brown colored fine liner. After outlining everything with 0.1 point fine liner, I'm going with brush tipped fine liners. It gives you that soft look and it also covers more area.
but it's also a bit hard to use and control, so I'm going very slowly, covering very small parts at once, not rushing through this process because it can really ruin it if the pen is not under control. And me being beginner, I don't have much control, so I'm just taking it very slow. Now here comes the biggest part which I was not expecting. So for the highlighting part, I wanted to go with my white pens, white gel pens, but unfortunately they were not working as I wanted them to be. Maybe because on the pencil colors the color was not paying off. So I switched two pens. I tried with two pens and both of them didn't work. So I moved to correction pen and still it also disappointed me. So I had to resort to acrylic paint in color white. So I used acrylic paint to go ahead and give all the highlights wherever I needed, and also few corrections that I wanted to do. Honestly, while giving this final touches, I'm feeling very proud of myself that I finally went ahead and completed this bird painting which has been sitting in my sketchbook for way too long. If you enjoyed this process, then do hit the subscribe button and also comment which part did you like and have you ever tried mixed media. And I'll see you in the next chapter. Until then, bye.